Hey, what's up guys? Merv here, back here with another video. As you can see, I'm at the garage again, just doing another update on the Mustang. We're gonna go inside, you're gonna see it's now on the lift. Last video you guys saw of the SVO, the actual, old harness was completely taken out, and now, as you can see, let me make sure to turn down the music because I don't want to get copyrights, Sorry, Eminem. But yeah, okay, so what's being done today is Mike is basically going to be cleaning up the engine bay. He actually found some stuff that needs to be re-welded because the previous owner that had this car, not the one that actually had it for a month, Jesse, that sold it to me, but I guess the original owner of the car who had it for like almost 20 years, he used to track this thing for autocross, and we found out that the frame was smashed. I don't know if it's been like severely smashed, but you can tell, like if you look right here, just the radiator, you can see the frame here has been bent and has been tried to be reworked on. It's all cracked here. Even Mike found a spot here on this radiator, which is aftermarket, but it is leaking. It is leaking a bit of coolant, so that might be something else I need to get for this car. Rip my bank. But first thing, before I get another radiator, I have to get front mount for this car because it needs to breathe. The turbo needs to breathe, and it needs it. There's the turbo right there. It's chilling. But yeah, what else is there? As you can see up here, it is cracked. He has to weld this and fix it up, make it look nice and clean. Basically to make it look like nothing's been, harmed on this car. But it is and was a track car, so I do plan on doing some track days in this thing. I just want it to be a fun street car that I can take to the track, for drags, for even autocross if I want to try it. Because this car is more than capable to do it. This is what it was designed for, is for racing, really. So that's what we're going to do. It's not going to be a show car, that's for sure. I want to drive it, enjoy it for what it is. And yeah, as you guys can see, the car does have its original Coney suspension. So I will be swapping these out because they are original, like I said, and very old. Very old. But I would like to keep them just to have like original. Is a lot of this car has been picked apart and swapped out with a bunch of aftermarket things, but these Coneys are original, and I'd like to keep them just for sentimental value and for the actual value of the car, even though a lot of things we'll be doing to this car isn't going to be original. But it's good to have something that was installed on the car from day one, so those I'm going to keep. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm going to let Mike explain more stuff when he gets back he just went to get some coffee and all that, so we'll catch up again right after. So found a lot of crappy welds, and Mike is having a bit of OCD. I don't know if you want to.
I'm freaking the fuck out, basically. Like, people can rip on my welds all they want, but I know for a fucking fact that they're a fucking million times better than this shit. They just like slapped it together and welded everything without cleaning anything. It's
like, what did you find that like pissed you off so far?
Well, the fact that they welded the front clip back on horrendously. They didn't even try and clean anything when they did it. This is spot welded on originally. It broke off, cracked down the back, and instead of repairing that crack, they just blotch welded the side. I have to fucking... What I'm grinding down is ridiculous to get rid of. So it's a fucking Mustang. It's not a... This is not a Chrysler Sebring that you just try to slap together to get back home. Like, you're fucking, this is a nice car.
Yeah. So what is it you're gonna try and do today? Then you're gonna try and
I'm gonna
fix
remove
all
this,
that?
clean this up, at least get this side of the frame rail dealt with. That way I can fix this piece and weld it back on so it looks like someone with a brain installed it. And that's really the most I can say.
Yeah.
Like, again, anyone can talk all kinds of shit, but at the end of the day, like, you can't let something leave like that.
No, for sure. You can tell the previous owner just did quick fixes just to make the car run, but for longevity, I don't think it would have been good.
No, he wasn't planning on keeping this car.
Yeah.
That's it. He was planning on, if he was tracking it, he was planning on just tracking it. It breaks, and we just slap it back together, break it some more.
Mm-hmm.
For someone that actually cares about the car, they would never do any of the things that were done here.
Like me, I'm not gonna do this, that's for sure. I want it to last me, a while. So.
Like, they welded the rod, and they didn't do that properly.
Yeah,
I lost my mind today. It's the first time I noticed this ruler holding the fan up.
Yep. Just,
We're gonna have to do something about that.
yeah. Well.
At least paint off the lines, right? Come on.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, belt
It kind of
too.
gives you a rough estimate of how
Yeah, if
how
you wanna
wide
know.
your rod is.
Yeah, people always say, oh, it's a big rad. How long is it? Oh, just look at the ruler, you know. Oh. There you go. And yeah, well, we're sponsored by McDonald's, guys, so you know where we get our performance parts.
I'm gonna say, if you look around, Tim Hortons, Cubs,
Tim Hortons,
Cubs,
McDonald's right there.
also Budweiser for all those late nights.
All right, well, I'll let you get to it with all this stuff.
Sounds good, boss.
Alright guys, so basically to conclude this video, just a quick recap, of what is going on with the Mustang. Obviously, there's always something. It's a project car, you're always going to find something new, but we are making progress. Mike is... Oh, Jesus! Yeah, so I'm obviously excited. Things are getting done. My deadline really with this car, we have 2 weeks to get everything wired in and running. Everything else, other additional parts, I'm gonna try and do it at my house, or if I really need the extra help, I'll see Mike. But just the wiring and fixing up the engine bay and everything, he's gonna take care of, and everything else, over time, I'll do it at the garage or at my place. So with that being said, I just want to thank you guys all for watching. If you want to keep up with the car on my social medias, just follow me at Sir Merv, or at Mervy Boy. Sir Merv is for my YouTube, and Mervy Boy is just for my other social medias. So yeah, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe this video. Make sure to leave a comment too of what maybe you want to see more details covered on the Mustang, or with other videos with my Fiesta. Let me know. I'll try and make as many videos as you guys want to see. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.